Hi Virgo and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of March 2021 is going to be for you. I'm making this video a little early so that you get time to kind of listen to this video, watch this video, figure out what are the things that are going to happen in March and accordingly plan your month. Also, the February videos are already online. They are into February prediction playlist or the February Rashifal playlist. Do go ahead and watch those videos because they will help you understand if my readings are resonating with you, if the things are happening in your life as they are said in the videos, and that will help you understand whether or what you should follow about the March videos. Now, month of March is a month where you are going to face your fears, where you'll need to ask for help wherever you need help and support. You're going to move away from disturbing waters to much more manifestation, much more into your power, your ability, changing things in your life, leaving the past behind, leaving all the cheating and the cheaters and the negativity and the problems and struggles behind. And this is a month which is going to help you manifest a lot of things. Understanding manifestation, there is already a video on my channel that will help you understand how do you manifest and what is manifestation. But this month you are going to manifest a lot of things for you. Starting from your health. This month your cards are saying that you need to take care of your health in the sense that with Five of Pentacles, I see problems occurring with legs, limbs, lower body specifically, but there could be a problem with legs, with limbs, with lower body of yours. And along with that problem, the problem will actually happen because you've been ignoring your comfort, your health, you've been ignoring yourself from quite a while now. And the cards require you to kind of rest for a while. And that is why, because you've not been doing it, you've been kind of ignoring your own comfort completely, or you are actually being into too much comfort and you're not really taking care of your body, walking, exercising, not doing anything. Both ways, you will be pushed to take care of it. Second, there could be a possibility that there could be some weather related changes that might impact you because there is kind of a snow and light both there in this card. So there might be some weather related changes that might impact you. In which case also, again, there is nothing that is going to be very, very serious or big or huge. The small little problems that will happen so that you start taking care of yourself. So this is basically connecting with your body. Second, if anything happens at all, because Five of Pentacle is the center card and Seven of Swords is and Empress are the cards on it. So basically your cards are saying that if there is any problem that you face, if there is anything that happens at all, you need to start taking care of yourself. You need to know that you don't have to ignore it. You need to kind of address it, maybe see a doctor or get it addressed. If you get it addressed, you're going to get healed because there's no big issue in health that I see as such. So the healing will happen only if you address it and if you take adequate rest. If I talk about your mental health, I would say this is the month where don't think about what is lost, what is gone, what is not there. Don't indulge into gossiping, don't indulge into fights, arguments, and also don't think about what you don't have or what you have is not how much you deserve or you deserve more, you're getting less. Don't get into that zone of negativity at all. You have the power to establish and manifest something big for yourself. And to use that power of manifestation, you need to be positive. That is why look at what you have in your life, look at what is the best that you can make out of it. Ask for help and support when you need that because you will need help and support this month. And don't try to be negative or don't try to do things which in a way are sneaking in something, kind of running away from a situation. Don't do all of things this month. Otherwise your health, I don't see any problem as such in your health. Small little problems addressed will be fine. If we talk about your money situation, from money perspective, there is Five of Pentacles, there is Queen of Pentacles, there is Six of Pentacles, three Pentacle cards that I see there, and they tell a story which is one, you might need financial support or help. If you need it, ask for it, you will get it. It's all there around you, you just have to ask for it. If you don't ask for it, you will not have it. So you will have to ask for it. Second, budgeting is very important for you. So budget well. Third, if there has been any cheating that has happened with you and you're looking forward to kind of get that money back to you, it will come. Might not be exactly as much as you are thinking it will be, but something will come back to you. If there's a chance of cheating with regards to money in this month as well, and that cheating will only happen if at all with money, either you are taking money related decisions at your own, you're cheating somebody, you're doing something negative, you're sneaking in something, or with regards to any decision that has money involved in it, you're not taking the advice, and your mind, your heart is telling you, you need to ask somebody, you need to take advice. So if you're putting your money somewhere new, if you are donating, if you are doing anything that is related to money, but you've not done a background check properly, there might be cheating that can happen, and there is a possibility that you might be cheating somebody, or you have to give somebody's money back. Until you give that money back, the abundance will not flow into your life. So you have to settle down that money. That is very important this month. If we talk about your love relationships, from love relationships perspective, this is the month where, one, you don't have to get into arguments. It's a powerful month. You will see people coming into your life. There is King of Wands, there is Queen of Wands. You will see very, very like you, people who share the qualities, who kind of have the same visions. People like you, your energy are going to come into your life. But other than that, there will be other people as well. There is Queen of Pentacles, there is Empress that is there. So your cards kind of show that either you are already into a relationship and you're not comfortable in that relationship, or you want to kind of move away from this relationship. Now, running away from it will not give you relief. Arguing, fighting will not give you relief. It feels like if you actually sit down, talk about it, ask for help, ask for counseling, or kind of go into prayers and positivity, you might be able, rather you will be able to let go of these fears, maybe let go of this relationship and manifest a new relationship which is at par with you, which is much better than the relationship that you already have that is not working out. Second, if your relationship has been working out but there has been small little differences, the cards are saying that this month important, very important, is to let go of your fears and talk about the differences. Third, there's a possibility where you are very over nurturing. You are over nurturing mother, you are over nurturing wife, over nurturing sister, over nurturing child, whatever, or brother, or son, or husband. But you are very over nurturing and you have a lot of fears, and you want to safeguard all your loved ones from all the difficulties that they might have in their life. You cannot. Nobody can. They have their own learnings. They need to undergo from their own learnings. They need to undergo through their own difficulties, and you cannot kind of change everything for everyone. What you can do instead is give them a helping hand. Don't get into arguments. Don't get into negativity. Just show them support. Just show them that you are there when they need help. If you do that, that's going to work out wonderfully well and in a better way for you. If you try to kind of fix everyone, there might be that you overwork yourself, you overindulge yourself, you get into arguments, or you're trying to kind of fix something behind the scenes, you might get into trouble. You might be taken negatively. You might be taken as a thief. So this month, ensure that you are not doing those things. You're not trying to fix everything for everyone. Rather, you're getting into your own energy. You're getting nurturing. You are there to help, but you're asking for help when you need help. This month, relationships feels like going to get much more smoother. If there has been any kind of problem, that's going to become better. Arguments, ensure that you're not getting into it, and there could be something which is interrelated between money and relationships. There could be somebody of your own who's cheated you, you are taking money from somebody who relates to you but you're not giving it back, or you have some kind of fear from your relationships. Now the cards are saying that if you're confident within yourself, if you take care of everything, if you analyze everything, do the background check and be careful about what is being said, by asking about it, by asking the right questions, there shouldn't be any problem. There shouldn't be any cheating. So if you're suspecting cheating, if you're suspecting anything like that, just ask the right questions, ask for help, take the help of counselor or guide. Things will work out. I don't see any kind of break into a relationship, or I kind of don't see ending of relationships as such. So don't take a lot of stress around it. If you're planning for a baby, now this month again, it feels like yes, pregnancy can happen, but you will need certain kind of help with regards to pregnancy. And it feels like you've been thinking that it will happen at your own. You don't want to go to the doctor, you don't want to address it, or you've been feeling scared to address it. And the cards are saying that you need to. Rest is going to be very important again. So that is why if there is pregnancy that you're wanting to happen or you're trying, see the doctor. You need to. And rest is very, very important. Now, if we talk about your job and career, now from your job and career perspective, the beginning of the month can be a little difficult for the people who have been looking for jobs. Beginning of the month, there could be again that fear and that going up and down, that kind of thing, because you're not asking for help. And why are you not asking for help? Because people who can help you, you've had an argument with them. and that is why you're not feeling comfortable reaching out to them, or you've said something wrong about them, or they have said something wrong about you, and you're not kind of trying to mend that bridge. It is needed, and when you mend that bridge, you will see things working out for you. Another thing is, by the end of the month, I definitely see opportunities. I see more than one opportunities. There could be 2 opportunities that you end up manifesting. That could be related to your passion, that could be related to what you really want to do, and then you will have an option to choose, so you will be able to choose. So job definitely will come. If you're already into a job, I kind of feel that you might be in a situation where you're feeling a threat, where you're feeling somebody saying something wrong against you, where you're feeling that what you deserve never comes to you, and you might have that feel that I should leave this, I should move away from this. Don't. The cards are saying that don't leave your job until you have another one in your hand. And second, don't leave your job without addressing the problems. Address the problems, they will be sorted. So you will be surprised to see how they get sorted if you address them. But if you kind of run away from behind or back door, that's not going to help you. Second, if you are sneaking in anything, doing anything that is not right, that is not legal, this month try to avoid that. Don't do that, you will get caught. And that is why this month be very, very careful on what you're doing, what your ethics are, what work rules and regulations are you following or not following. If you are into a business, I kind of see partnership coming very strongly on your cards. Partnership of equals. Partnership can be between 2 people, 3 people, or there could be 4, but some kind of partnership is there on the cards, and the cards are saying that for that partnership, 2 things. One, you need to be looking at who deserves what is getting what. So basically the kind of effort people are putting into the work, they are getting the same results. Second, you have to ensure you're not doing anything illegal. Like I said, this month, thief card, you will get caught. Third, or you'll suffer losses if you're doing something illegal, so don't do anything illegal. Third, when you get into the partnership, ensure that you're not getting into arguments over unnecessary things. Rather, you ask for help. Even if you need some kind of financial help with regards to your business, you need to ask for it, you will get it. But you need to ask, because the center card, 5 of Pentacles, is a card which says whatever you ask for will be given to you. If you ask for growth, it will be given to you. If you ask for thieves or negativity, it will be given to you. Choice is yours, what you want to pray, what you want to ask for. If we talk about your there is another possibility that some of you would want to kind of leave the job and get into business. I would suggest don't run away from it. Don't immediately get into business and leave the job. Start doing your own business, start doing the homework towards the end of the month, but don't leave the job immediately. Maybe balance 2 things, because there is a balancing of 2 things that I can see on your cards. If we talk about students, one, if you are into a study, if you have taken up a step for further study or anything and you are feeling like giving up, don't give up. Focus, you will be able to achieve. So, another possibility that I see is some of you would want to kind of leave the job and pick up your passion or pick up your business as your career. That's not a bad option, but I would suggest that right now don't leave one thing completely and move for another. There is a juggling that you can do between the both, and then there will come a time where you will choose one out of the 2. For business and work, I feel like probably you might just take as long as 2 years to choose one out of those 2 options. But at this time, running away from any situation is not advisable. If you need advice, please ask for it, take a suggestion, and then move forward. If I talk about students, if you've taken up a study and you're not feeling comfortable with it, you're feeling that you'll not be able to finish it, you'll not be able to complete it, and you're feeling those fears, don't give up, don't run away, ask for help. The help is available. You can take help, you can take support, and you'll be able to complete it. You'll be able to kind of do really well, and that is why you need to have faith in yourself. Don't get into arguments, especially with your elders, with your teachers, with your staffs, and with your staff, as in the staff members of people who are senior to you. Don't get into arguments with anybody. Also, just stay focused on what you want to do. There might be a possibility where you want to do something else, your passion is something else, your elders want you to do something else, and you're kind of juggling in between those 2 things. You want to run away, you want to just do what you feel like doing, what is your passion. The cards are saying that there is a possibility where you follow what your elders are telling you at this point in time, but have your passion along with you. Keep your hobby along with you, because this might become a path to reach there. And that is why you can have both the things simultaneously and later on choose one, and that will give you more growth, better growth. So just don't worry about that. If we talk about you moving abroad or moving to another city for your study or something, the possibility is there. 2 to 6 months, that possibility is definitely there. If you talk about your soul path, this month it is very clear that you need to kind of let go. Letting go is very important. Second, it is very important for you to let go of any negative trait and ask for help. This is your soul learning, because you have a tendency to not ask for help. So this is your soul learning to take care of your body, to connect with your body, to give yourself comfort, or not be over nurturing, over caring. Connect with yourself, heal your past. And if you start meditating, that's another thing that is very important. If you start meditating, you probably will connect with your intuition a little more, your visions a little more, and that is why it is very advisable for you to start with communicating and start with meditation. And also ensure that at no point in this month you are thinking about, I don't get what I deserve, I don't have that kind of money, things are not flowing to me. Don't get into any negativity. Whatever you have in your life is just perfect for you to move forward and achieve things in your life. So let go of any worry, any stress that you have. Chakra of the month this month is crown chakra. Crown chakra is located here, top of the head. Usually the mantra is silence, or you can chant Ang, A-U-N-G, Ang. Okay, but the thing is, with this chanting, it is very important for you to ground yourself. There is a lot that you are wanting to receive, but only if you are grounded is when you will not run away from the situations, and you will be able to connect with the divine and receive. That is why grounding is going to be very important. If you can do all chakra meditation, it's just a 7-minute meditation, the shorter version, please do it. That's going to help you immensely. If we talk about your mental excess of the month, the card is walking away, and it's a card which says that you need to walk away from anything that is an illusion. You need to know that everything that you've established in your life, the kind of money, the kind of comfort, and everything that you were wanting in your life, or the problems that you have in your life, it is becoming your comfort zone, and comfort zone will never give you growth. So that is why it is important to walk away from your comfort zone, accept the things, and also ask for help. When you ask for help, you'll receive it. Your affirmation for this month is, it is safe and comfortable for me to move on. I consider all my options and then take action on my own behalf, and that is what brings me abundance and happiness. So this month it is important for you to take step, move towards unknown, but not run away from any situation. Move out of your comfort zone. It is going to be very important for you. The surrender message for your month is surrender worry. It says, make a commitment not to lead an anxiety driven life. When worries arise, breathe them out of your body. Focus on the power of your heart. Have faith that spirit is guiding you always, and you're always being guided by the soul. So no matter what you think your life is or situations are, and you think that you're not taken care of, you're not getting what you deserve, you get what you deserve. Only that there are learnings attached, and when you learn to kind of take things in the right way, you will manifest amazing things in your life. The unicorn message is, open the door to the kingdom of heaven. Now this is beautiful. So kingdom of heaven means everything that is beautiful, everything that is new, everything that is nurturing, that is growth, and that is what you are opening up this month. There's a passion that is opening up for you. There's Two of Wands. There's manifestations that are happening for you. There's power that is coming your way, and a very powerful combination, whether it is in your work partnership, whether it is your life partnership, very powerful combination also is coming to your way. If we talk about your animal message of the month, it is ladybird. It is basically ladybug, but the card says ladybird. It says, accept happiness and good fortune. And the card says, if you choose this card, it signals that you are about to receive a blessing from the universe. An angel may touch you. Happiness awaits you. You are illuminated with new understandings, and good fortune is coming your way. Give thanks for all that you have received already, so that you are energetically prepared for new before the gift flies away. Ladybird energy invites you to spread angelic qualities today. This will make a difference to those who touch, and who may be surprised how people and animals will appreciate it. You are also asked to communicate graciously to all people you meet or write to, in a way that will nourish or support them. And that is what your cards are saying, that this month you don't have to sneak away, you don't have to over empowering, you don't have to over nurturing, over caring, fearful, running away. No negative traits this month. The more positivity you kind of show, the more positivity you will attract. Number of the month, number 6. Color of the month, any shade of purple or white or silver is going to be good for you. Now if we talk about what will happen if you follow these advices and what are the angel messages, the first card is strength. It says strength and grace through kindness, self-confidence and forgiveness. And that is what your cards are saying, that when you feel that comfort within yourself, when you forgive people that who have done anything wrong to you, when you forgive yourself, when you are ready to move forward, when you believe in yourself, that is when everything starts working out for you. The second card is the same card as this, and it says Two of Gabriel, Two of Wands. It says make bold and ambitious choices, great progress is possible, important relationships with people who share your vision. And like I said, that this month you are going to attract that kind of people who share your vision, exactly the same vision. And it is important to make ambitious choices. It is important to take steps forward, move ahead, not get disheartened or not run away from situations. Move out of your comfort zone and you will see big changes happening in your life. This is a powerful month, can bring a lot to you if you work on yourself. If you can, do share this video with everyone that you can and is possible. This might provide help to somebody. And let's see what is the life message for you. What is the guidance for? Wow. So for the Hindi video, the card was Justice, and for you the card is High Priestess. Quite similar, I would say, where the card is saying that believe in yourself, look at your intuition, look at what your heart and mind is telling you. Don't get towards negative, don't get into your comfort zone. See, there are things beyond that people can see, beyond that you can see. There are certain things that are behind the veil that can be revealed to you. Be powerful, be in your power, and if you be in your power, this is where you reach. Queen of Wands, very powerful, very strong, very nurturing. But this month it is important to balance between your negative and positive self. Don't let negativity impact you. Don't let any negative thought impact you. If you move towards positivity, if you move towards growth, there is wish fulfillment that you will see this month. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that is in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write, I need my personalized reading. I will share my number, we'll take it forward from there. My channel has a lot of videos about soul, about tarot learning, about awakening, about manifestation, about anything and everything, the angel numbers, guidance, what is the soul journey. There's a lot that I have on my channel, and the intention is to provide you help and understanding. They are very, these videos are in very simple terms, like anybody can understand them and move forward to their journey. So please watch those videos when you get time. They are segregated in different playlists, so you can go to playlists and find those videos. If you like them, please share a feedback and a comment. Share those videos with other people. Send me your messages as to what kind of videos you would want to see, or what topics should I kind of cover in the videos. I will ensure that I cover all those topics. And please take care of yourself. Know that you can change this month. Thank you so much. I will see you with the next prediction. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.